What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be working on the hatch. Nobody really knows anything about it. Obviously at the moment it's in 100 pieces. Garage is a mess. So I'm actually gonna clean up the garage, move some parts around, and get going pulling this bay apart, pulling the harness out, getting everything all set. So this way I can start grinding it down. As you can see, started to weld up some holes. As you can see, they're not the greatest, but it's okay because this is just temporary. I just want to get the bay painted and get the car ready. As you can see, old motor, intake, transmission, and everything like that. So we're gonna get those all set. This is the new workspace for a little while. Yeah, so there's the workbench, toolbox, TV, the heater, and everything like that. But I'm gonna clean up the garage and alright, so now hold on. Now we cleaned up the garage a little bit. Gonna get the new grinder all set. It's always great buying new tools. Always. We got our grinder. As I break it. We got regular grinding discs, paint removing discs, and flap wheel discs. So we're gonna get started on the bay, cleaning it up, grinding down all the welds. Grind down all the welds, get them all set, and then start prepping the bay to get primed, and then get it ready for paint. Alright, so we're gonna start grinding away on these bays, get it all set. Like I said, I gotta grind down what I welded, see if I need to re-weld it. I'm not the best welder, but it is what it is. I'll get the job done for now. And yeah. Okay, give me a second. Helps when you plug in the extension cord. Alright. So as you can see, we grinded down all the welds that I ended up welding up. Some holes I kind of just gave up on. Like I said, this is gonna be just to get it out for the season. I don't want to have this car sit in the garage any longer. Every year I say I'm gonna get it out, and well, yeah, it doesn't come out. And I don't get to enjoy it. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna just clean up in here. Probably just take off all those brake lines and get everything all touched up. Probably drop the subframe so I can get this thing ready, so I can start sanding it down, getting it ready for paint. Well, primer, then paint. Like I said, here's the old motor. I have this B20V being built. This is the B20 bottom end. Here is the VTEC head. Nice and clean. I just gotta do a nice bath to it. But everything's there. And then I think this is the color for the outside. I'm gonna do a quick spray on the engine bay because it's gonna get painted anyway. So I'll do a quick spray. If I like it, fine. If I don't like it, then I didn't waste that much money. All right. Let's get this set up. Jesus. Let's see with this color. Obviously, this is just for reference-wise. I just want to see. Helps if I shoot in frame. So this would be the outside of the car with the gold accents. So I would have along the lines of the gold accents with the green on the outside. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Yeah. So like I said, we're just gonna keep plugging away. Bear with me because this is all still new. But like I said, we're gonna get this thing all set. I'm gonna try to mask up as much as I can, take off all the lines. Wow, it's cold in here. Take off all the lines, probably drop the subframe and just start sanding away. Yeah. Like I said, this is all new to me, so bear with me. I got the good camera, and yeah. So I'm just gonna plug away and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it quits today. Lacking a little motivation, but a little cleaned up. I just gotta take that line off, tape up those lines, tape off that line, and drop the subframe, and then I can start scuffing and painting. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.